We're not going with people. Hold on, hold on. So yes guys, that's Fire and a new cast member. I don't know Lawrence and him weird ideas. So before now, I actually get her one side. Well, before I get her one side, this is what I did. I went around, asked crew members to write a question for her on a piece of paper. So what I did was, I took a photo of her. So I took this photo, I showed it to every cast member, and I said to them, if you could ask this face one question, what would that question be? So that we do. But we are going to golf course now, and then later we follow up on that. And bear in mind, majority of the cast members are females, and I am saying this because of the questions that were asked. And I'm going to find them interesting. Golf course, visuals, yeah. Ain't this what life is about? Meeting new people, new personalities, and doing fun things. What else do you want out of life? Oh, she's trying to get under the fence, guys. Carlanda, is this your first time? Yes.
I came prepared, just in case we get stuck.
Okay. See if you want wing for me or however they do that. Okay. So, over by the golf course now. I figure more or less I'm going to go live and all these things. And here is everyone. So the questions came from these people, guys. Except that pretty one with the handbag. She wasn't here as yet. But everyone else. Yeah. Tiring and fun. Fun and tiring. Hello, pretty miss. They haven't met you as yet.
Hi guys.
Kind to introduce yourself, miss?
My name is Yannick, aka Peaches.
Peaches?
Yes.
A honey did that for you?
There is honey, yeah.
Okay.
My teeth in sister, the way to eat my baby. Candy. Yes, see her up before.
Sir, beautiful. And what are we doing out here today?
Honestly, I don't know. Just to follow the crowd.
Okay. Okay.
Don't know if I have a part to do today, but me just come with the crowd.
So how has the experience been so far for you?
Wonderful.
Yes, see. Yeah, me have a live. Come, you want to come? Huh? Yeah, sit here. Let me go live. So, I'm terrible with names. Remind me your name again?
Yannick.
Oh, yes, Yannick. So how has the experience been for you so far?
Shut up, Akeem.
It's been good.
Shut up, my sister. Listen, this is Yannick and this is our thiefing sister Candy. What I want to say, bless up on yourself, you know, I love you a long time. And you should breathe again, my teeth in that pit me.
Ain't this what life is about? Meeting new people, new personalities, and doing fun things. What else do you want out of life? Yo, when I'm sure crocodile, hey, fire! Crocodile down there, some of youth. Hi, miss.
Hi guys.
Are you an actor as well?
No, not as it.
Not as yet. You're not playing a part yet?
No.
Oh, yeah, drink.
I'm having a Jamaica first strike beer.
Mine are drunk, you know. See me, people. A great Popeye.
Santa Claus in town.
So you see the persons that ask those questions of you? Are you seeing the people?
Me? I'm not been asking about today.
Last time I talked to you.
It's not my fault.
I'm not talk to you again. People, Okay. Make sure you cover it. Okay. See my little girlfriend down here, so I don't know. Now understand how she don't get chat to next man.
Calm down, calm down. Different man in our life.
Hello. It's over. Bye.
Why would you do that?
Cause you find new man.
Don't you know that I don't cheat? Black women don't cheat.
Oh, black women don't cheat.
No, we don't. Yeah. Yes, nice man.
You not seen none of my BTS them? You haven't seen any of those videos? So,
I saw you.
what me do?
Why you do it, Jack girl?
What me do?
You don't do nothing, brother.
Oh, wanna break up with you?
Yeah, why
Cause
did you do that?
you cheat.
Black women don't cheat. I told you already.
You want manage your life? Oh.
Just shoot and try to keep it real, you know what I mean? A bag of things go on. Yeah, pick up to all the people them in the world, you see? Bag of things go on, you see it? Yeah, pick up to all of the people them, you know? Bag of things go on. Pull up!
Hold on. Rich and feel phone love freeze like. When I go on with people, I want to see if they settle down. Settle down.
Money don't take you.
Come on, settle down. Why this time on the phone I can't freeze? A hole in 15. So that them say when it go in another one?
Alright.
Them normally say hole in 1. Show me see 15, that's something I want to hole in a 15.
15 green.
15 who?
Green.
Green. I wish I knew that.
Alright, yo.
John Mustard, why this a
So them
freeze up
other
so
something
much?
like this the over the side too?
Talbot. 80 and
So we have 15, so 3 more up there, so 3 more the them the up there, so.
Our family get it straight and direct. Me and Uno are family. Me and Uno sister and Uno and my brother. Me and Uno ma, Uno and my ma. The whole of we are family because we are God picking. Big up on yourself. Bless up all the time. Coming from straight from Candy.
Go on again. Show them again. Show them. She can't flick, guys. She can't boom flick. A big people are going to them and something and say, you know, say happy, then happy. Watch out. Where did you learn to do that? Where's where I learned to flick?
Country, where I grew up, Betheltown.
Betheltown?
Yeah, country girl.
She nice, see you guys. Look for her. Boom flick.
So one next flicker that in country.
Find it.
Yeah, white pants.
Oh no, she can't put her foot behind her head. I can't do that for her.
That's on the grass.
I best place to do it.
Make sure I find the smooth grass.
On the smooth grass? Can't do it on the smooth grass. So come now.
The minute they come.
Okay. Should I come? What kind of trick I got? She never know said already I record. So this is the new actress, new part. Introduce yourself.
Oh
To
my god, can you get that part out?
Why? They look nice.
Hi, hello, my name is Carlanda Gordon. Am I hearing me?
Caroline, yeah, them are here. Very clearly.
But you can just call me Carly, if that's okay.
Where are you from?
I'm from Hartford.
You know, I have family from Hartford.
Yeah.
But anyways, now we have no time. This one now we can. Alright, cool. So the members down there, they have some questions for you. My intention is to have you understand the kind of people I'm they're on. Them say, this is what they said, you know. After I say, you see them question, well, I don't think them question I say about you. And them say, oh no, them just don't follow everybody else's questions. So, like me, I know. If you don't want to answer one question, then don't answer the question.
pass?
Them man, I can pass.
Alright, good.
Alright. But also, you gotta tell me who you think asks what question.
Really? I don't know all of them.
Alright, cool. I will see how it
I won't be able
works.
to match personality with the questions yet.
I gotta tell you who me think though, although I know who, I gotta just try mess with you where that is concerned. So the first question, what is your sexual orientation?
What does that even mean?
If you're straight, gay,
I'm definitely straight.
I mean it's diverse, nothing wrong if people gay, right?
But I
know.
prefer the opposite.
Yeah, I know, but just like some people might think that question, or we don't want to know about people's sexual orientation.
No, I just think everybody have a choice. Everybody's entitled to their choice. Mine is just the opposite sex.
So what do you think? Ask a question.
It's the first question on the paper?
My first question on the paper. You know, I really don't remember who write the first question though. But when them watch the video, I guess it will be exciting.
I think a female asked that.
You think a female asked this question?
Yes.
I don't want a female ask the second question, which is,
Yes,
are you a virgin?
I'm not.
Are you a virgin? I am guys. I am a virgin.
Yes, I'm a virgin.
We're all virgins here. Alright? So next question. Do you have a boyfriend? Mom answer it for you?
Like, yes, just answer, yeah.
Yes, you have a boyfriend.
Okay.
You think question not bore anyone? Boy. And you know, I said to them, say, I think these questions say a lot about personality. But then say no, because of the first question, them just not follow through. But people ask some other question when in line, it would be like, what does not belong?
Good.
But then, me I look on them right now and they're kind of uncomfortable for me. I don't know how they are treated over there, so.
Just go
Over the
ahead.
number 4.
Okay.
Describe your type and your sex life. Me couldn't answer that question either. Like, we don't know how to answer that question.
Describe my type.
Probably the type of person you're that interested in, I guess. How nobody not ask something about acting?
Exactly. I'm like.
No, people have questions here were kind of related to acting. But anyways, describe your sex life. Describe your type and your sex
Remember, I'm a
life.
virgin, so I don't have a sex life. I'm just attracted to ambitious people.
You're going to like the last questions.
Yes, I'm attracted to somebody who's ambitious. I'm attracted to persons who are goal-driven. And them actually, you know, some people them just say, I want this, I want that. And then you have the others that actually do.
Come on, Tyson. Come on, Tyson. I sweat a lot. So, alright, good. So what number are we at?
You were asking me at my type. I like ambitious people who
Yes,
get things done.
Alright, good. On a scale of 1 to 10, how freaky are you?
I'm a virgin.
I don't know what this means. She's a
I don't
virgin.
know what that means.
You see how all on the question get messed up because you know ask a sensible question. That's some weird kind of people. And between me and some weird kind of people. And people you can love but then they're seriously weird. As you notice, I'm mostly females, so you know a lot of these questions are coming from females, which kind of
is weird.
Weird.
It
yeah,
is.
weird.
Okay.
Alright. Nice. Number 6. Is acting something you want to pursue long term?
Yes. I've always been dramatic.
Alright.
Whether it be that I'm on set or I'm off. I'm expressive. And so I tend to, I don't know, it's like I'm always in character mode.
Really?
Me just always express. Me just expressive.
I'm not nervous, guys. The time hot. Right?
You sure?
You just at the time. Me have it on record now, so the time hot. Me hot. It's not nervous, me hot. How long me have video? Sure, I don't nobody ask. Boy. Number 7, what is your favorite whatever? She's a virgin, so I don't think she has a favorite that. Alright?
What does whatever represent in the question?
What is your favorite sex position?
Oh.
Moving on.
Moving on.
So this person asks, will you marry me? So just guess who asked that question?
You?
No. That's one how my answer so now I'd ask this question, but
Will you marry me? I don't know who'd ask that though.
guess and then think about the answer that I give the person.
A brand?
Alright, if I hear me assume to ask a question, what would your answer be?
I'm going to be very kind and I'm going to say
No.
nobody knows the future.
I don't think if a guy gets on his knees and say, will you marry me? And you say, honey, no one knows the future. But no.
I think he got the answer right there.
Alright, cool.
It's a no.
I never say O'Brien, you know, we just
No, I'm saying it's a no.
Where do you see yourself in
Say
5
tell me
years?
who asked.
No. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Graduating.
You're studying now?
Yes.
What are you studying?
I'm studying quantity surveying.
I don't know what that is.
Quantity surveying is a surveyor. Well, it's the act of surveying projects, land. It has to do with construction.
Alright, cool.
So I estimate project costs and all that.
But I try to think how that tie into acting. Yeah.
I'm versatile.
Oh.
I'm very charismatic.
May I ask based on the kind of person I be? So
No, I'm versatile. I grade myself and I think that I am talented because I have more than one talent.
alright. Not to stray too much, but could you may I try to find one character and ask if
Impersonate?
yeah, impersonate.
I'm not good at impersonation. Let's see.
Alright.
If it's not good, you're gonna have to take it out. You have to promise that.
Alright, yeah, definitely.
Okay.
A loyal wife. Those things are hard to find right now. So just give then I think I kinda look like that already.
I can select Tiffany Haddish or those people. I can do that.
I want to hook about that boring.
So me say.
Okay.
I'm gonna
Ken.
the boy yard. You won't believe where the boy live. I'm sorry.
That's good. You think that good? On a grade there in the comments. So I 1 to 10. So alright, this you just tell you where do you see yourself in 5 years? Describe your ambitions. I think you answered that earlier.
My ambitions?
In the when you were describing your type.
Oh, that's what I mean? Or
Yeah.
they're asking about me? As in,
No, I was just saying, based on your answer for this question, goal-driven persons to kind of describe your ambitions. You're a go-getter kind of person? Huh?
sometimes I'm reserved.
Mm-hmm.
My ambitions. I want to be successful. I want to be rich. I
You don't have enough money then?
Me just want comfortable. You
Okay.
know? Because
You don't want one man to do that for you though? Or you just want to do it for yourself?
this is the thing. I will accept help.
No, not help, you know. As in
Do
one
it for
man,
me.
I do it for you because you're a woman.
But the
and-
man can dead and
Well.
only lad know who left in assets too. Me no want be drop back in one place because me that wholly and solely depend on somebody. Someone want to have something to myself that has my name underneath it. In the event that something should happen, I'm still safe.
Good ambitions.
Yeah.
Good ambitions.
Yeah.
So, last question. Me I go tell you who asked this question, and I still want to assume, I still want to guess who asked. Would you have my baby? Him never ask it like that. When him says, you'd have breed for me, that's how him say, but I just nice it up right also. Hold on.
I don't know who the person is, so I can't give an answer.
Just guess first. So it's definitely not O'Brien.
I'm not ready to have a baby.
But
as
the
yet.
person who asked the question wanted to ask this one first.
But isn't this unfair to me? Because I don't know who the person
Yeah, me know
is.
that is the whole point of it. It's supposed to be unfair to you.
Okay, so no, I will not marry you, and no, I cannot have your baby.
So you answer the marry me question. So nobody where you see, excluding myself, of course, me adjust the fly on the wall. That's all. Nobody where you see.
pitch it
So
off.
nobody where you see so far. Nothing if you want baby daddy like appearance.
I
Just
don't
appearance.
want a baby daddy.
Just everything and baby daddy, husband, because the husband is still the baby daddy, right?
He's a father.
Yeah. my father. So nobody physically would I say, alright, you look good now on picture frame.
Oh my god.
Just guess. I don't think nobody heart a break.
It's gonna be hard because as Mr. I'm a judge after physical features.
No, seriously, but this unfair to you because I told the person that they would not be exposed, but I gotta expose them if you guess one person. See? Everybody that is here, I say, listen, I show them my face on the camera and I said, you have a question for this face, write it right as well. See? You're not thinking unfair for them to ask these kind of questions of you. It's unfair, unfair. You think me about but the show must go on. So, guessing time. Who asked this question?
You know, say why I'm going to choose this person because I'm about my friend here.
The sex not exempt, you know. So it could be a female.
It's like, but I can't.
No, adopt or surrogate business or something, I don't know.
I want to adopt kids, you know? Just not with a female.
So if it's a female, it... But guess though.
This is crazy.
You know, I think you have one guess in your head. Alright, I tell them, where's my question? This is my question. Is acting something you want to pursue long term?
Oh,
that was my question.
I don't even want to call a name. I'm just saying this.
If this person is brave enough to ask this question, they should be ready for whatever answer is coming.
Okay.
I think so. And me, I run this show,
I'm not ready to have a baby. Not now.
Alright, so...
Me think Richard asks this?
No.
Okay.
I'm sure Richard question.
Yeah.
But you can't, when I show you, just
be blank?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, hold on. Remember some people question, I'm gonna expose them.
But who asked this?
The man in the ropes.
And I really don't say that, but then we could.
Seriously? So far to pick up that?
Richard
You're a good judge of character. You're a good judge of character.
Me just be smart and sorry.
So this one was from the Rasta lady, the brown Rasta lady.
Okay.
Who asked this again? The young lady that's right there, smoking.
Okay.
You got this one correct. Shh. You got this one correct.
I don't even remember what I said, but I do remember.
Yeah. What is it? I don't know who asked this. I don't remember who asked this.
That person must be hella disappointed.
Oh, this. You can't guess who asked this? This was a female. It's connected to this. Alright, so I think that's it. Do you have any question for the entire? We give you some time to think about it. So one question for everybody.
One question for everybody?
We have to make it a little bit challenging, come on.
This is crazy. I don't think I have any questions.
Like if I were to ask everyone there one question. And what I'm gonna ask them, sir?
What?
What is the goal? What is everybody collectively? What is the goal? Because first someone asks a question like, I just randomly say, ask whatever question, they say, what is this about? And it brings up to mind and say, what is the goal? So like me coming in an environment, everyone is filming, making movies, putting out content. What do you hope to achieve from all of this would be my question.
I sort of wanted to ask that, but I'm judging and assuming that everybody would equate to everybody wanting to be successful. So I was thinking that question it's rhetorical. So that's why I didn't want to ask that. Yeah, because
but we can personalize that question. So probably that question I can be friends with.
Okay.
So everybody wants to be successful, but everybody have their own personal
aspirations.
Thing. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So, like yourself, what would that be for you?
Where do I see myself?
Like in your own world, like what would be the goal, the end thing? Like at the end of the day, where
I am now?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Well, I must learn I must learn, either be good or bad. Nobody wants anything bad to happen. In the event that a bad happens, because this is life and the reality is bad things do happen, I want to learn from it. I don't just want to get upset or get mad and all of this.
So knowledge is the thing for at the end of the day.
Yeah. I must be able to learn, and I must be able to what's the word? I must be able to implement what I've learned.
That's good.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, you settle with some knowledge. That's good.
Yeah, and I must be able to use it back. Like, why would I be learning something that I can't use?
So, in a sense, I think your question is, for all I know, what I hope to achieve by doing this, making movies, filming, all of that, at the end of the day, what the end game? When everything done, when you can't film no more, when you can't do everything you want to do now.
After the full stop.
Yeah, what comes after that? That is your question. So, how was it? It's our first day here, and so you're in a position to put her in.
Exactly, it was very.
How was it?
It was unpredictable.
How it make you feel? Alright, forward. People are it. See through ya.
I
See who of them. So look on them. See them and them ask a question. Who of them?
I can't believe y'all.
I hope you're not calling me for my question.
No, you don't get exposed. Couple people get exposed, but not everybody. So, I go ask everybody the same question. No, I forgot watch the video to find out the question that you ask.
How much answer? You answer?
Yeah, man, you answer.
No!
Morning beautiful people, pick up on yourself. Welcome back to the channel yet again. So first day of the lockdown, I have one new member to talk to, and I really new, but yeah, first day of the lockdown, but first everybody, I actually wake up before everybody. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to do a quick run through. Wake up, who no wake up. We'll go around the place and see what going on in the early morning, but as per usual, we don't know how we do it. We get some nice visuals and then we do what we do. I don't know what happened today, apart from that is shooting. So as me tell you, we're gonna do some little investigation, find out, little things them how they talk about in the last upload. So yes, so I have no specific plan, but we're just go ahead, use the basic sense them what God give you, and do investigation and find out. When I come along the journey with we, it's nice. So make we do that. We get with nice visuals and then all of that good stuff. So yeah. The females are always the lazy ones. So they can't wake up. Wake up! What's that? Don't look for them. I woke up like this and I can't see truth now, guys. Yes. When if you wake up. You woman over there, sir.
Like him up all the well.
Exactly. Like him bleach all night. Let me see if you're white.
So who look how long wake up?
Let me see if you're white.
So I see him there. He just wake up still, but as he wake up in the pan, I make sure say I can get some content as quick as possible. Me and editor have to knock out because you know what's happening in there, out. So when I
whole night last night,
when I mash him up, he ain't good, right? So how far are we there now, Janelle? How far are we there now?
Well, we just in line out all the edits and all them, just double check them. Nothing already.
Go get your booze and your course for this one class. The right time about that, me I thought him pull over.
Why a problem with me pull over?
Every day you see this. Yeah, wash it. You smell it.
Can't smell it.
Prawns.
Yo,
You true man, every day you see this.
that one and I have no manners. How you sleep last night?
Comfy.
Comfortable?
Just me and Kalani alone sleep.
We could have seen that in the video. You know,
Okay.
you don't need to. So are you dressed like this, miss?
Me I run up in a full black. I style and pattern, you don't know that.
Me always say that this a chain. Why make you always wear? Make you not dash away.
No, the chain don't compare that I wash. It does every time I shoot something in this, damn pull over.
If you right, somebody ever here, then cuss out your blouse and
I know
scream.
say some people may agree and wonder.
No, they know, just you don't know why I always have one. You want to know why I always have
Yeah,
one?
how?
Like you notice me so, man.
I don't like it too, man. I know, man. If I check,
You like one girl pull over.
yeah.
Like one girl pull over.
Batman.
I'm not really preying up because I say maybe just feel chilly.
Fronzy. How you acting a go on? And guys, enough worry when a girlfriend come here.
Stop telling them that because I like say, look, put it on me. Me and him then are no business. My man know that.
But you're not my type either. You're not my type either. So come, miss. You have to show where you ganja though. Then I'm gonna take you serious if Nancy. Come, talk to it.
Much time, we're not easy, boy, now go take me serious. We're not easy.
You know Jamaican people stay.
Oh, them stay.
And say we don't have weed in your hand and say
So
no
what
nonsense.
happened?
Yeah, babes, I'm tired.
Are we the man in people? I say, are we the day? Are we the man in people? Are we?
Yo, wipe off the camera.
Right, this.
So where for your split there?
I don't smoke. And I can't.
Where for your split there?
I don't
First one done already.
smoke.
Come interview me.
Where your split there? Editor. No smoke.
You know how I feel about that? You
Talk
say
to
them
it.
And I smurf them.
Talk to you.
Trolls.
Hey, people.
Trolls, they come up now, trolls ugly.
Love you.
Smurf better.
What else?
I'm a porridge.
I'm probably sure they have to give you.
I'm porridge. I notice you hot for me, you know. You. Me and you now go agree. You.
You see anything on the use?
Wash your face.
Don't talk, you know, brother.
Share out my porridge.
Come back home, cook on a dirty kitchen in a bad man. Alright.
So, Lana, alternate share porridge. Give?
Oh, well, you say I don't have plate with courage already.
Me now go agree. You have to go left here. You have to go left
You
here.
don't say that's no problem. You might have courage, but no.
Don't listen to me.
I'm not burn him with the porridge. Burn him with it.
Don't listen to me, here.
Thanks very much. Here. Thank you. Excuse me.
Put sugar and milk in there if you want.
No, sweet too. My man already sweet, I'm sweet too.
Watch him too. Are you alone or somebody? Watch him. What friend so?
And yesterday relationship start, that's why she sounds so young. Okay if you man love normal girl.
Morning again. Yes, kind of weird. Kind of jump from the first day to the second day. But the thing is, really difficult to keep up with Richard Brown, Curious, all the actors and everything together. Really difficult, like to catch everything throughout the entire day. So what I'm gonna do on the second day, because I'm not supposed to, you guys are supposed to be getting a movie today. Not 100% sure, but you guys are supposed to be getting a movie. A movie should be uploaded on the channel today, which is the second day of the lockdown. So yes, first day, as you guys have seen, you know, the waking up, all of that. And then the shooting started. We did some shooting over by the golf course. Richie did go live during the golf course session. What else happened yesterday? Basically shooting. Everybody, like even myself, was you know, a part of the, you know, shooting, run down bike and all them kind of something. They shoot from the back of the boxes. So it's just everybody I try put in them 2 cents to make the end product as entertaining as possible, and we are trying to do it as fast as possible. You get me? So yeah, so the second day of the lockdown. How lockdown I treat, you know. I mean, we have fun, we're having fun here. So when I wake up before everybody this morning, couldn't manage to wake up before everybody, but guess who is still sleeping? So no, do the early morning scene, I know. Nothing can have early morning scene today, I know.
They try to when we sleep out of here, you know. Out of our face.
So I'm not gonna start tired. No work hard yesterday?
If you're up and down and change the often.
Okay, so on the up and I'm gonna change often. And I'm gonna left for now. But I'm not sorry for that one, I do. Figure.
Yeah, see, so me if you well with yam. You well with yam.
No, you're not yourself, like I'm doing business yourself.
But when the food cook your business.
Watch him.
Right, every morning, literally every morning him come in here with one camera. What am I saying about the camera, you know?
Second morning. Today our date.
No apps now because now we not go to school.
Yeah, you don't have to go to school for know the date. Good evening. What time is it now? It's evening. Good evening, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, golf course again. I have 2 beautiful young ladies with me. And they're going to talk to us about that movie, 3 Sisters. We want to find out what's going on for them, and also we want to find out from them what has the experience been from the inception, from the beginning, from the genesis up until this point. Yep. How long does sound ago? That one, guys, she likes to insult her.
How do I?
Yeah.
I respond to skip.
So, yeah, so I don't know how we do it. I will get some visuals first, some nice visuals, probably just use them for the entire B-roll, and then we'll come back and talk. Reason why I'm not so animated in this one, I'm chill. I feel really chill. Alright, then just give me some time, taking some photos, try to get them under control, make them calm down. Then we can actually ask them about the questions about the movie. So, but bear with me. When them make them get out everything with it. Watch that.
Go get the body here for me.
Suppose you want snake to come.
How?
What do you
I'm not seeing it.
They're not poisonous, Carlanda.
Don't just say they're not poison, we're not eating.
They aren't.
So you know, it's like I'm people them.
Yes, I'm a people them. Serpent.
But they admit
They can't tap no, I will address you.
Address me.
Let's get in there.
Address me.
We mostly thought that you people were in the flying section and 4-foot creature section, but apparently you crawl too.
A crawl, snake crawl?
Hmm?
A crawling crawl?
Wiggle.
I don't think a crawling crawl. I think they have a name for how snakes move.
Wiggle, wine,
No.
jiggle. We're gonna wine and broke it down.
Both are in a Three Sisters, Three Different Man, right? Oh, so who are you in the movie though? I get this straight. Carolina, who are you in the movie Three Sisters?
I'm the beautiful, ever so beautiful.
Shut up. What are we in the nice?
Mean you're here.
And your point is?
She can't, yeah.
I can
She can,
straighten these for you.
I see.
So you're a character that want to take man character, Carolina?
No.
Yes,
you're
you did.
Pretty and pregnant.
How was the experience?
Frightening.
Frightening?
Yes.
Like from the, like me know with Beaver here, she have a problem here with Fire I said because she said Fire chat fast.
No, yeah, each Fire chat fast and so we chat fast, you know.
It was, I did one mixture, cause it's tempting. You know when girls step together, everybody I get tough chat, you just have yeah,
because
your
that's the rule. Yeah,
your character is
just to be
so did you know her? You never know Beaver before you come here?
No.
And you guys look at Tilala playing her here and all sorts of things.
Fix a good mama.
I just something with females and develop a friendship and bond faster than
We're not
males.
friends, we're associates. We just work as a team, right? We're not friends. You know what is friend? Eh? Come catch up and catch up, good man. Just
Every chance I get them try to shut me up. So this is not friendship, guys. That's why it's hard for trust woman. You see how them loving? Look how them are behave loving with each other. And they can still stand up in front of each other and say, oh listen, we are not friends, we are just associates. Me not get this. How friend goes? Tell me how it go. Are we friends?
no. Because we're not.
It's alright. Me not hurt. Me not hurt. But
You
like
can't
the
be
video, in
hurt.
case me feel hurt, like the video.
Alright, we are just a team. We are just a team mates. Like we work together.
Alright, listen to me. Me not want to call me again since we are not.
Listen, you need to understand.
No, but Biba, I don't understand.
Listen, remember,
Mm-hmm,
for example, when they used to go school then, and you and that person, like, for example, 6 away the year, so, but I 6, 2 minus in, post teacher put the same 6 away in one group. At the end of the day, you know, we have to do what we have to do, you know. It's no friend thing, you know. It's just to put in the work and to get the work done.
We're great associates.
Okay, I agree for disagree.
We're great
Fine.
associates.
So let's get back to the movie now. Zine, so was it at any point was it at any point uncomfortable for you, Miss Carolina?
Well,
when I had to, the party was supposed to put out
chat na pa, waka na ba na chat ba? Wow.
Not pure no man. So, yes.
the scene where I had to lie in the dirt and the creep took me out of the that was like, you know, sometimes when them fine girls were dead,
But you never did.
no, I know, but it create that same scene and we can just imagine how people that think them and then just throw them in a bush and whatever.
Or like seeing things happening, like I hear things that money come to realize.
Exactly. So you see a body and you see it in the dirt and the grass and everything.
So even though I did acting, it kind of...
Me think...
Well, physically or mentally uncomfortable? Or
it
both?
was both.
Jaja stuff.
Because me start to think and I say, I can just imagine how them girls they feel.
Wow.
Especially the ones who actually get to know where them dead before them dead. You understand?
Cool.
Apart from that, it was an experience.
What would you tell other females who are interested? Go for it.
If they can manage it, then
definitely.
They can. Nothing try, nothing done, nothing. I'm not discouraging nobody. Listen, in the movie, the role that I play, well, some people that said in,
Me don't realize me not even asking nothing, I'm excited. If you tell me about film part, come talk.
Yeah, me not gonna say nothing.
No, tell me not Jesus and peace. I love your Bieber, come talk, tell me about.
No, you have to tell me say nobody love me.
Nobody love you.
Alright. In the movie, the role that I play, I enjoyed it because,
You can't kangaroo.
well, me not like, me get the good role, the greatest role.
Are you a protagonist in that the show
Yes,
there? Are you them
the
love?
the bad apple, yeah. You see me, but
It's apple, but actually sweet.
She nah stop interrupting you, man, but it's alright.
Alright, go on.
Go on.
So as me I say, in the movie when I play the role, me I tell you say, I would do it all over again 100 times. I would do a movie where I'm the bad apple in it all the times. Because that's what I actually say and I realize. Oh my god, me feel harassed. Me harassed, but don't come beside me. Me have for the years to come here to school.
You want
Sometimes depends on certain
hold on. So you're a thief in a real life?
No. Certified.
Hold on, let me check my pocket them.
Certified thief.
Certified thief.
Let me check my pocket them, make sure I have.
Certified thief
have my
in the
things,
movie.
So what other role would I play again? Would I be the bad person?
In any other else movie?
Like what kind of bad person role then?
Alright then. But I want to have a friend in a two time to get a man bun.
Take with your friend man.
No, I wouldn't take with my friend man. But that two time my friend encourage and say, yeah girl, give your man bun.
Where your boots are?
Your boots are and say, give your man bun girl. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about here.
So I have one question for you now. Now that you tell me how exciting you find your role and how the experience.
We're not friends. So she can't encourage you to give me one bun.
Okay, good. What's your favorite person, Beaver? Put up on the spot.
What's my favorite person in
Here,
what?
here. You are my favorite person here.
You are mine.
No, I can't be a favorite person. You know me long time. You know me from before I come here, so I'm out that.
Then who else?
I don't know why you have
Well,
to tell me.
in the movie then, nice. Even in a scene when...
You always ask for Kelly.
Oh, you're talking overall in the movie?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. No, I don't want y'all get it twisted, you know. I love everyone that I'm working with. It's just that who me really... Who understand me. Because sometimes my head go and come, yeah. That... My head go and come.
So the Rasta man telling about no other future role one have to play?
We can't disclose that.
But he's the one...
Can't disclose it? Me I go find out. Me must find out.
You do your thing.
So, yeah, golf course people, too miserable. I don't know if I think they're pretty. I don't really think they're pretty, you know. So, I have to check my pocket, you know, because she says she actually do the things them. You understand? So, I'm not even no money. What? None of that now come out. Them love here and them love... What do you think majority of the males that are watching this video, what do you think they are thinking?
Whatever things, they just want to say it's a movie.
I wonder if she want one job as some expensive, some... I wonder if she want one job as a receptionist.
I wonder if she was detect some of my money.
If you give me, why not me?
You know look at a man on the internet, Beaver.
If you give me, why not?
But if them a look you.
Yeah.
Rastafari.
So, I tell you what happened behind the back now. It's going to let out in the truth, it's going to reveal it now. So, I remember when I was here at the first week, you weren't here. Don't talk here. So, I go home now and think, I was saying the following week, I never come back. At the weekend, I come back. So, I saw this girl doing video with you. Oh, I not get no feelings. I'm like, okay, not about end of the day, we have to meet new people every day.
I jealous, I get jealous.
No, listen.
You know, so I remember say you message me too. Come talk. Yeah, I true, yeah, talk. Come talk.
So now, I saw her and I saw him say she's a nice girl, I like her smile and all these things. Anyways, get to meet her in real life. So on the same weekend now, it's next lockdown now, when we come down here, remember how the nice same blouse?
Yeah.
Same color?
Yeah.
Everything.
Me never noticed. Wow.
She was on the phone and I'm like, and I was like.
On the phone?
She was on her phone all along. And I'm like, she doesn't on her phone, so because that is me. I just want to start provoke you. But you never did pay me attention. Anyways, enter in one. So we did cook that evening. I remember when I asked her if she want food and she was like, I don't want any dumpling, something like that.
Yeah.
We cooked the food and me and Kelani was like, she asleep down here. I said, no. But anyways, due to the fact that it was locked down at certain hours, so me figure more or less and I said, yes, she go sleep down here. That's it and done. And I'm like, who she go sleep with? And I said, Kelani and me I sleep same way. We not sleep, she not sleep with her. Something like that. Anyway, we done cook the food. And when
oh God of his mercy. Expression on her face, priceless.
Come on there and ask if I want some food and I ask you what cook and I say flour. I say no one that you will look something for you. So alright, that's it and done. When we done cooking food now, the plate was there because me they wash up the plate them when me a cook. So the food, the plates them now when I finish eat out of was there. And then she came inside. And then I go in the kitchen go look. Me say no goods, me see. A goods, me see I wash your plate them.
Oh, a goods are your name, a goods are the name you get?
No!
Goods.
Remember, I never know her name because she was on the phone. First time I come and tell her hi, but she was on the phone, so I never want to interrupt. And I run down, she can't tell Kelani, say, Kelani, we get one Cinderella. She can't work, she will wash your plate them. And Kelani say, I lie. We say, girl, go on there, she wash your plate them. And Kelani, go on there. And Kelani, go on there, she wash your plate them. And thing I say, no, but that's why I'm good face. Then me with my enough seller, remember what? Me come on here and say to you?
No.
Alright, so me go round there. And I see good so I should play. So I say, friend, you don't remember me said to you? No. And you did say something to me, but you're not easy.
I was listening to music.
Yes. And me go there and I say, hi. And you take out the earphones. So me realize.
You sound like a good housewife?
Something similar to that.
No, man.
No.
So I'm going in there, I still remember now, no, lie me tell. So I'm going and say, yes, welcome, we get some if you can wash your plate after now. You remember? And then she jump over and say, well, you not easy. Yeah, we not easy. But that's trouble, me trouble right now, guys. But she just come and take on the plate. She don't eat none, but she come and wash. Yes, when I say she's a good girl. Me didn't like that. Cinderella. Right there, so me the thing that she's a one type of girl love give attitude.
So you just are wrong then?
Yes, at first. But by night we come down with the good like that.
I did the same thing with you? You did see her when you come here?
Remember she was.
I was on the phone. I saw her when she came in, but I was.
Like when did you notice her or what?
When
the first
I saw
time?
Her blows.
Oh, the burgundy, the similar blows.
Oh.
We have on the same blows.
We're in the same blows.
Y'all are so cute. Look at them with their cute stories.
I will make a good say. Yes, we're going to have some news for the watch play. Good say. But it's not easy. Yeah. And this is what they had to for her now. Sorry about that. You don't feel that way now.
Hold on there. My time done on the camera. What you say? What you say?
Are you alone? It's a sweet.
No, but watch, you have a YouTube channel.
Oh.
Yeah.
So, you hear now? I have a YouTube channel, meaning you have a YouTube channel, you alone stand on your channel. Fair enough.
No, but what I'm saying is,
use this medium to advertise.
I want her to, because I say me alone, it's sweet, so I want you. Hit the palm, maybe I'm in a focus. So me I say is if you want it to be sweet, you too. What could have happened is that you send the people over your YouTube channel and tell them what you plan for upload. You do good enough.
Yeah.
And I tell our people that you do good, just a chat pan video. Like that story there a while ago. You see, you don't want it sweet. Yeah. But anyways, people, hear me I say now. I'm always telling you. Thank you no 1 million. You see me? Thanks. I'm responsible for one big part of my survival because when everybody abandoned me and then they put me up on suicidal watch, you remember that? When I alone they stick around and support me. All sort of alley. Financially, all sort of alley. I look for me now. You know.
TVJ.
You get no baby yet?
No. You gonna really do that though? No.
Where matter?
Ask me if I get no baby yet. I think that question has been asked
100 times.
The first time he come
Like-
when me do the question thing, curious
This
him.
is the first me ever hear that like I've heard that question so many times for this year. I mean, I think there is going to be another time in my life when I hear the question so much.
Jaja. You really want a baby, Carolina?
I do, just not know.
Miss sorry if you, hey. Nobody now breathe, you know. Nobody now breathe. As a matter of fact, guys, I'm going to end the video now. I get some photos with them. We need to get some photos I can put on Instagram and all the places. And the lighting is perfect right now. So, thank you for tuning in. People, we have to make it this far. Definitely. Why not break your neck in a one? So, good evening. Evening, sir, right?
Yes, good evening.
Alright,
Or you
good
could say good afternoon.
So people, Candy beat me for a long time to come do a video with her. So,
Right.
we are here doing a video now. I'm not tell her none of the question them, I'm going to ask her. She does not know what we are going to do in this video. But I'm going to make her know and she's going to know right away, meaning say, like I want to just know, she just know. We want to know where Candy come from, the origin of Candy, not just the movie them. So, my first question is, how far back should I take it now? Tell me about younger days. Tell me about high school days. Which high school are you starting?
Younger days,
Yeah man, tell me about high
like
school.
when we used to eat dumpling and butter and them.
High school!
So, you want your mommy school first or warm when they eat? Which one?
Which high school are you starting?
Rushie's High School.
Rushie's?
Yes.
I say be a bad people got Rushie's.
Sometimes some we bad no man and next time we go good.
So tell
But
me.
badness not pay still.
So
Better you stay good.
So tell me about Rushie's school. What the experience like during that time?
Oh, a regular thing, regular class session. You go at like certain time you go at that session. You have different teachers for every different subjects.
So you used to live
different
from, you used to live, Negrola used to live them time.
No. Montego Bay.
So you used to live Montego Bay,
Yes.
like Montego Bay, or Rushie's?
Yeah, because I'm a Montego now. How you feel like?
Oh, so grew up with mommy and daddy?
I don't.
John was star, one more person forward in that. So.
I don't grow up with my
We
mom
had to go on
and
the
my
two of them
dad.
one time. So the legendary Popeye, I don't know the two of them from Richard Brown films. So, no, hold on, come right to us, no man.
Oh.
John was star, where you drink?
Handicap, you know.
Alright, here we going. Popeye, which high school you used to attend?
Little London.
Little London. So when you used to live on the girl when you got Little London High School?
Born and grew up.
London or England or London or Jamaica?
Me say, you see Candy? You see
Yeah, but we have London and Jamaica too, and we have London and England. And which one of them you did at school? Me want to know.
I try help when you get to know them outside of the movies, guys, but see, right, it rough. So, you used to attend Little London, you used to attend Rushie's. So what was
Say
school
Rushie's
like?
and don't say
Rushie's.
Rushie's.
What was school like for you? Did you enjoy to have one whole heap of friends and trouble you?
No. Listen, nobody not trouble me at school.
Are you trouble people?
Me not trouble them, but just when me not have no lunch, my friend them used to have to give me lunch.
Oh, so I did that kind of something sometimes.
Yeah, because sometimes
well, and you spend out the money.
Remember, say me not grow with no father. But
Okay.
sometimes me used to stay with my mother. Most of my time I was with my grand aunt. But you know, sometimes if me do nothing in the yard, they don't go and give you fair figure at school, they don't give you nothing to eat. But you know, that's the first time people kind of have like a wicked dish in them and like a good dish. But me forgive her still.
So you like acting for any time?
Long time before me did in my mother home, she did conceive with me as an actor. As an actress, a matter of fact.
Alright, we will come back over to you. Papa, talk to me now. How was school for you, high school?
Well, it was good.
They not
me
trouble
did
you or nothing?
No, but me did have to make a choice.
Did you have girlfriend in high school?
You're not asking about primary?
Yeah.
Did you have girlfriend in high school?
I did have, you don't know the name, me did have 6 of them.
And you're not asking about primary?
No, you did have man in high school?
No, me couldn't do it. My grand aunt would have killed me with leak.
When you have your first boyfriend? Or man?
My first, me can't remember. A long time.
No, first time not forget so.
Yeah.
Your first I don't want to ask you nothing about when I lose virginity, you know. when, tell me about the first boyfriend. You have to remember, I can't.
Me can't remember, me did want to do it and me never want to do it, but me still do it. And me want to do it and me shouldn't do it, but me do it still.
So apart from acting though, Candy, may I skip go? So we are moved from high school now, come back in a present
Yes,
life.
when
So.
time I used to do in grade 1, before me go high school, a primary me attack, me used to pick up the dirty cheese street them and the dirty chewing gum them. Because they say me granny wicked in and give me no lunch money that time they my bed.
I feel like Candy never ever yet come out a character yet.
No, you know, he make me pick up the dirty cheese
Candy
street.
is her character though.
Listen, man. You see when the dirty chewing gum them, you see pitting them with them parents when have it, and then eat the chewing gum them and dash it down, and it on the road, you know once when the sun hot and it melty, or it look like I say sugar in there and it's sweet, so me go pick up here and eat it with the rock stone, then in there and then it fresh.
When this,
no sugar.
a liar tell me.
No, God up at heaven, me I call your name God, because you know say I chew me attack, and me pick up dirty dumpling at school, because sometimes they don't give me no lunch money. I chew.
So we are getting some in on the characters them here from Richard Brown
Yes.
films. So what I call it? What they call them kind of upbringing again? Modest upbringing or humble beginnings. So both characters don't understand. Hold on, Papa. I feel like a born with gold spoon in your mouth. Tell me about how did you always have lunch money and tell them something when you go to school?
Well, me did always have.
Them there.
Yeah, me did always have, but me have to make a choice in a grade 9.
Kind of choice that.
It's either work or go to school, so I just work.
So when you decide you want to do acting, you know, or a long time? As a matter of fact, from when you are rich, them are brethren?
Long time. Before YouTube, before
you're born, just say before you're born.
Before we born.
See them, man, pay attention to you.
I'm talking to my audience.
Right.
I know rich them when they start the movie, but then the time I'm there behind the scene and watch, and I say, yo, I'm not going to. But then I say, you know, I want to be actor, so I go. And see there, look at me there now.
That's that. So, apart from acting, what else you do? We know what you do already.
We know fire them long time, fry up a bakery and sell movie and whatever something.
From when you know?
Then bread ground up a bakery and so all about.
Oh,
Then they all about.
So apart from
Long
acting,
time.
Papa I do baking, best cocoa bread them in a niggles. Yo, right now they better than juicy beef cocoa bread them in a.
Exactly.
I swear to you, I'm not even make this stuff. Which part the bakery located?
Sheffield.
Which part of
Right
Sheffield? Right
at
at 7-day Adventist. So you can't go over there and teach you out of focus. That's it. But anyhow, when I go and check out the cocoa bread them, so apart from acting, Mr. Papa is hard at work every day. Candy, you're an entrepreneur.
Yes, long
because
time.
You have a shop for yourself.
Not say that because right now, me I look help and want somebody to help me.
Can I help you, man?
Me want help and want build something bigger in life to make you all help some people who know how to.
I don't want to feel like it's a joke thing. Not because you see 100,000 views on the movie, them I don't feel like say, millions are coming. And that's how you go. People there and them do this. They do this because they are passionate about it, and of course they want the money, but you know whole heap. So when me hear Candy say she wants some help and all. What you want? Build up a shop or what?
I need help so I can do a little business for myself.
So you know have a shop?
No, that shop they broke down.
No, yeah, Candy, stop playing with me.
Me not play with you.
Why shop broke
When
down?
time me did, you don't know when my shop used to start. You can't see my shop pop down, so I need to tell you.
Pop downstairs at there?
And you pop downstairs that, so you must know we did stay from the beginning.
Yeah.
Very stuff, alright. So,
shop.
well, if people might hear and them want to lend some assistance with that concern.
Well, I would
we can
appreciate a fit. Thank you very much. All who support me, thank you.
So, Papa, differently though, up at bakery there. How you like it though? How is it up there? Outside of the acting, I know you're passionate about. Up at the bakery, how is it? Tell me about that.
Really good. I tell them, it's worth it because I can bake, I can do Italian cooking.
You can bake too, you know.
You can do Italian cooking.
I can paint.
You can paint. Like
I
bakery
can
I
do
talk
plumbing.
about. Though. Bakery I talk about though.
Oh, bakery.
So you tell me about the bakery. So that's something you enjoy as well, right?
I love that more than anything else.
More than the acting too?
Yeah. Baking is my...
Me love acting.
No.
My acting, me we are calling on me sleep when me I sleep, me act too.
I respect acting, but baking is like my ball in a hit.
But I know cocoa
Me I
brother.
sleep
So
on
you
a
bake
act.
cake and them something
I
like
bake fruit cake, I bake marble cake, I bake banana bread, I bake pudding, I bake gizzard, I bake anything you can get.
You never know all of them something, that's true. You never know.
I bake the best pizza.
So you do pizza too?
Yeah, better than me no one call any name, no one they sue me.
Better than who? Pizza
But you
Hut?
don't know that's
Yes, don't call anyone name.
No, that one name. The
Caesar?
other- Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Me never buy them. Me never taste no pizza already. You don't do you want pizza?
That bake you carry out here. Can they taste it already?
How it
I
taste?
want little piece of did give me.
How it taste? How it taste? How it
The
taste?
piece when you give me, I want little piece. You should have given me more. You can't give me them the little piece of pizza there and it tastes so good. You're too old to order.
Alright, so I don't know what else for questions, so I feel like the audience them have a better understanding on the personality now. What high school was like, because you know so that's one integral part of your personality. High school, that's when you start there around people who leap and some real interaction start going. So you know so that part of your life is integral when it comes on to your personality. So you say how humble beginnings, chewing gum, and all them kind
Yes,
of
me
stuff.
pick up all the dirty cheese chips them. Me have to eat them.
Papa, I did have
when
gold
it's
spoon in
small,
my mouth.
I eat
I
they go
wasn't have
infant
gold
school
spoon
it like
in
you know
my
in a
mouth.
grade
But
one. Yeah, me pick up a man.
But
That's
that
me
you
hungry.
No, I never have gold spoon. I just have family that support me to school. But one thing though, my father,
Alright people, big up on yourself and thanks for tuning in again. So see it there.
We done talk already?
You have more things that you want to say?
Then of course we look like we don't talk. We can't have talk. If we talk can't too much.
Alright, go see.
Akeem,
I
talk.
got it.
Listen to me now. Talk cannot too much. Talk can't too much. None talk. Cause when you stop talk, somebody else talk. Talk can't too much.
Alright, we want to hear what you have to say now.
Listen to me now. I wouldn't mind you guys put out some donation to Akeem. He will give it to us because we need it to do some important stuff.
Candy. No
What?
candy. Me not receive.
They
No
not
money.
have me number. They know
No.
about feel something.
Hold on,
fan
where
fan.
Instagram? Where Instagram?
Me not have none. Me not no phone.
Yeah.
Me all want one phone. You can buy one phone for me, please.
Oh yeah, me forgot to candy
Sure.
have one. But
If me did have a phone, me get enough help long time, but I don't have a phone. So I need you guys to help me to buy a phone so I can have my own channel. I want to be so nice, good up fans funny. I don't know say
just
Candy.
contact be a things on the channel, that's true.
Oh, you mean Candy? You don't know say Candy.
So
a
if you
phone
no
is
want to
favorite.
see Candy start a YouTube channel and contact the things them for you make she know in the comments. Tell her in the comments, as you mean?
Yes.
So she say she want a phone, would
Yes.
buy her one, but me can't afford it. My phone screen bust up right now. No left it fall, we are shoe fall.
No make nice and make
Nah
me
man, I want to hear them. So that's all. Anything else?
You don't talk already? How much
Papa,
we done?
ready? My time? Papa.
well, thanks for the interview, guys, and hope you learn a lesson. No matter what in life, don't listen what people say. Work towards it.
Anyway, it is my pleasure meeting you. This is Candy, actress from Richard Brown Flint. And all of us are teams. We work together. Excuse out of the... Okay, you know no manners, you know.
Hey,
Sure.
pick up on yourself. Look more.
So, bless up on yourself. I know me always love you, no? I love you guys so much. I mean, no someone love me too, you know, but me love you no more. Mwah. I'm out. I will make a press here and we
That's how we live.
Alright,
Alright, go on, do the thing now. Come in.
Yeah, what go on there now, see?
Do you have money other day?
Who did that money?
When I know you're gonna help me buy no phone.
But me can't tell us that I soon get a piece of food, man. Me tell us that I soon get a piece of food.
Tell me when you're ready, Akeem.
You ready,
man? A
Tarkat?
freestyle.
Oh, okay.
Freestyle. Where's the papa? Come in now. So I go on now, even.
Akeem, ask the questions. See we interviewer over there, so.
We done.
You're not
Not
chatting.
interview. This is.
This is what?
Team side.
No, team side, man.
Oh.
Akeem, something. You're all tired and brighty.
Team side.
So I'm gonna ask you now.
We just go on freestyle.
Just talk
Alton, they don't know
something.
you have to chat in the Alton, they don't know nothing, you have to
I
chat.
don't
They
answer.
know
You know,
what
you
going
can't
on
ask
with
one
them.
question. Nothing,
They
no,
know what going on with me.
Yeah.
You no dumb.
Oh, people. This is not candy. Look at my phone, people. It's not good, right? It's not good. Look at it. It can't. Right, watch candy. I think it's a fair phone, a full phone for me. Look on this. No. If
See my phone. Then if I'm not no phone, I even somebody will give me one phone and give me this, I number that I want it.
Alright, so
I
see,
read that do it though.
see, but it's true because people can call me. Me just have to just have this and go on normal. People, me need a phone.
And you're going like that a phone too. You all you want one phone to move, man.
Me tell you, I put this on my ears and it just a brr, 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 brr. On my ears, it just a press up by itself when I go on with itself. So people, remember to subscribe to that channel as a command pan the man channel. Just subscribe and not bother with the foolishness. Subscribe. Because that's how in time you subscribe, people can see me more.
Right.
And can see yourself
So
more.
Alton, come chat about that, cause I tricky people them. Come. No, you're not really tricky, you know, you understand, but you're not going in personality. You understand? I'm entertain. No, you can't come in, you can't come in. So Alton.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mr. Richard, bro, in our family, right?
Yeah, my cousin.
Alright, good. So, give me a little history. So, mosquito bite and
Oh,
and all these things.
What history?
Yeah, give me one history where
telling
you
now.
come from.
Alright. When we are doing forward from left high school.
Which high school? Like?
From high school. Let's go from technical in the house. Big up on yourself, you see me? So from left high school, okay, so in mother, which is my aunt, Auntie Debbie, big up yourself.
Rest in
Richard,
peace.
rest in peace. Richard and Auntie Debbie. And them can go wedding now from start go wedding and go on normal. Pretty girl, come here. You can pause.
Floor is yours, have the floor,
You
people.
can pause. Say your name for the camera though. Come here. Come here. Alright, so she's shy. She's shy. So yeah.
You can say when you little you used to
I
crazy.
used to go to Froome Technical High School. Richard Brown and Diana Campbell. They're the one who made me into a photographer, videographer. Yeah. So from I left high school, so I start go wedding, go hotel, and then so no, so we in our business long time. But professionally start shoot movie. If you look up on one of me, I want to interview with Fire Ass, you know. When the first movie he do named King Kush. King Kush, that was his first movie with Fire Ass. We interviewed him about 8 or 9 years ago. He's on YouTube, same way, on different channel.
That was not the first movie.
What do you mean?
King Kush was not the first movie.
Which movie was the first movie?
One by One and Carelessness.
Alright, what are they in time? Another time period that we do that.
But
that
King Kush,
interview.
you know him them
Talk
time.
about that. You're going like a better looking at Richard through your animal cousin. Talk to the people then.
No man, Richard and me and me.
And somewhere I don't know you're nice.
Far you come from.
Richard cuter than you.
I just
You have candy. We don't want a bad man, think. Hear me I say. Are the girls man this? Anybody want to take
I want to say that me move.
Watch out, my gun. Man,
Man, look.
Look nobody.
Man alert.
So yeah, from your start shoot professionally and the acting and thing on YouTube and all of that.
Me this camera shy. If you notice, I know me kind of the talk in the camera, you know. If you see it for true. A couple months ago.
You afraid?
No, me shy man overall. I'm a DJ and it's so sad. So sad, me so shy.
Yeah, some camera we buy people. Me not wrong, you're afraid of them.
So Mr. Garden, how your life changed since you started acting or since the acting start successful? Oh, make sure you tell them to have on YouTube channel too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, alright. Tell you how this whole acting start. When you start seeing me now frequently.
No, but before that I used to act, not true?
Yeah, man, you see in a movie, man. I want by one minute. Me a police long time in a movie. I beat up boy long time. Most years ago. You know, they tell them I did Lily and fine so.
Tell them.
Palm Beach, I beat up boy as police and a long time. But and now me really start the acting thing professionally. So I say since here, February, more than time there. The time I'm really done it often, don't it? Yeah. Time I'm done it often. But a long time. Yeah, sorry about that, people. He's just one of our fans here in Jamaican City. So, you see me? I'm just saying,
That about acting long time and beat up. From school, you say you used to go.
He forgot everything so quick.
And that about the acting on Palm Beach and beat up boy as police and as recent now. Somebody asked us how your life changed.
Oh yeah. So, the reason why I'm there so still do acting now is just got you a little relationship problem.
Hold on, them me blouse and skirt, it passa me like it. Hey, what you say? What you say a while ago? Talk again. Me never asked him nothing, him said, come, say it again, my boss. What you say?
Yeah.
Hold on, what you say? Repeat what you say a while ago.
But you want like a relationship problem, so.
Okay, so you have a broken heart and everything?
You pass through that stage already, man.
Okay.
Single now, isn't it?
Yes,
Ladies.
You know what I want to ask me if you're single, man, I tell him say I have a girlfriend.
No, man. Which girlfriend? You give me girlfriend?
Me think, that me think, say this.
No, brother.
Oh, so you're single now?
Yeah.
So what kind of woman you like, me general?
I like women.
Oh, just every woman?
Just it. Women.
So,
I love
hold on
women.
now, I feel like a trouble that, you know. Hold on, let me tell you, and then you can probably rebut we can come in. Hold on now. If you like women, see, when you get one woman, the amount of competition where she have to deal with all this, you know, because like, every woman
I feel love every woman.
You see me? So you're type not too specific. Alright, go on, tell me some more. So your relationship thing.
So yeah, that go on, relationship pass and gone, so me have time now, so me kind of dedicate myself now to the whole shooting and acting, as you can see. And I have 3 kids. So ladies, if you know me, I have 3 kids. I don't want Candy in my video now. I have 3 kids, ladies. AJ, Alora, and Mia. You see me? And they're not, and I Candy are their mother.
All of them is from the same mother?
No.
3 different mother?
Yes. I was a bad boy.
When I grow up, I want to be like you.
No, when I was.
No, I don't want to be like you.
I was a bad boy. I was
a
a bad boy. No, I'm good. I'm Christian now.
Alright, we have 3 minutes left on the video.
3 minutes. Alright. Go over to Paradise Nation, subscribe. If you know what I said me, I'm going to myself over there. Go over there, subscribe. Me and Candy, we have a video come up still now. We were intense. We never see Candy kissing our video yet.
Kiss her.
See it.
Kiss her.
No,
Kiss her.
Oh,
Kiss her.
No, that Jesus. No, stop it. No,
Kiss her.
God, I can't manage it no more. Why? Almighty
That's
Father
as
God.
far as it is go.
I came a quote.
Sorry. That's Alright, so yeah, remember to subscribe to this channel, Akeem Lawrence. That's how your badness come down. We are one family here in Jamaica City. We have a lot of video production with the company here, but it's one family at the end of the day. Alright, we kind of have a flow now. So Candy,
Jesus Christ. God,
take
help
flow,
me.
girl. Take flow.
No.
Alright, so people see it there. Wanna get 1, 2, 3 character from Richard Brown films
if
to get closer to them personality. You see?
If you want to know more about me,
so
go over my page.
Paradise Nation name?
Yeah, entertainment. Or go over official Alton God.
I want to tell me if you don't want to see Candy over here, so create a YouTube channel. And what kind of content you don't want to see her put on her channel? See? Later.
Me want to see Candy in a silk dress.
I'm out. Love you guys.
Me want to see Candy in a silk dress. Talk truth. You don't want to see take off the jeans. Talk truth.
Move, man. Single but me.
You know, me first put her in a video. Me first put her in a video.